The first thing I do with most people that I work with is identify a goal. What is it they really desire? And then I get them to spend time in the energy of that goal, that desire, as if it's already fulfilled. That triggers the law of attraction. When you start to put out the energy of what it is you really want, you start to attract things into your life. But the question that almost always comes up is, how long do I need to do this? How long do I need to be focusing on my goal as if it's already here, getting in the energy before it comes in? Well, in the metaphysical world, this is one of the things that our collective awareness has not risen to the level we can predict that exactly. When we plant a carrot seed, we know that it grows into a carrot in about 78 days. I might be a little bit off on that. When it comes to manifesting, attracting into your life what you want, you plant the seed of a thought of what it is you desire, and then you put that signal out, but we can't predict exactly when it will come. The law of gestation says that it will come in its right time, and there are a number of factors that determine when your wish will become fulfilled. How strongly you desire it, how much time you spend in the energy of it, how close to you today are you to what you desire?